So I bought myself a Esab 205 Rebel welder, and the first project is making a cart for it. Let's get started. Okay, so I got all my pieces of steel here cut. These guys are the legs. I cleaned them up with a flapper wheel sander. I coped the inside of the angle iron here so that way I don't get much pull and warpage. And let's try out our new welder here. We're going to put it at 105 amps here. We're going to be using 7018 Arctec 223. I'm experimenting here because I've used to just a straight up analog welder there. Our hot start 75% and our arc force is 15%. See how well this works. Oh, that's hot. We're going to turn our volt amperage down a bit. All I need now is to clean up the welds and then paint it. Okay, so when I put this together, I screwed up. These wheels are shorter by about 1 and 1/8. So I've cut a piece of 5/8 and a piece of, a piece of 3/8 and a piece of 3/4 inch to space out a total of 1.1 for the wheels. So let's weld this in. We're going to test out the MIG function of my welder here. It's smart MIG, because we're going to turn her down to 200 here and try her out. See how she welds. There we go. Fix the wheels up. Now it sits a lot more level. Gonna paint it up and put some wood on it, and it'll be the welding cart. There we go, got her all painted up. Let it dry off, and then we'll put our pieces of wood in. We'll cut our 2 holes for our bottles. And we'll be good. Okay. We got the cart all finished up here. Mostly. I gotta add in a couple hooks for all my leads, and then I gotta have a place to a hook on the back here for my power cord and possibly gas hoses, but I'm happy with it. So I cut a hole in the plywood here, offset for the 2 cylinders. It's my argon CO2 and then my straight argon. Welder sits nicely right here, so I can have access to it while I'm working on it. And then I build something like a toolbox or something for down below for all my spare parts. There it is, I'm happy with it. I was going to put a handle on it, but you know what? Just having the welder itself as a handle works pretty good. There we go, first project with the new Esab Rebel 205. I'm really happy with my purchase. It's a lot of money, but It's gonna last me a lifetime. The more I use it, the more I'll figure out what I need to do. Extensions and leads and everything like that. Hope you enjoyed the video.